Hello friends, welcome to the exciting world of learning. In the last video, we saw the how to solve the linear equation by substitution method, and today we will solve some practice of some questions using the substitution method. So we have the first question is that we have a two equation 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Okay, so we have a two equation 2x minus y equal to 3 and 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Let it be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. So you know the process, the algorithm to solve the substitution method. So first we rearrange the one of the equation and we write one of the variables value in form of another variable, and then we substitute that value in the next equation, other equation. Okay, so here we will solve the equation number 1, solving equation 1. So what shall we get? So this, just simplify this equation, so we can get, hence we can write the y is equal to 2x minus 3. This you can say equation number 3. So we have just solved the equation 1 and we shall put this value in equation number 2. That is called substitution. Okay, so we have 2x plus 3 times of y is equal to 7. See, I told just you have to write in brackets, otherwise what is happening generally when you write simply, so you multiply it with the first figure only, you have to multiply 3 with both the figures. So we have a 6x minus 9 is equal to 7. Now this is single variable equation, so 6 plus 2 8x and 9 will be transferred there, it becomes 9 plus 7, that becomes 16. So we got the value of x, it is 16 by 8, that is x equal to 2. So now you can put the value of x in any of the equation. Okay, so that will be easy when you put in equation number 3. Now putting the value of x in equation number 3, that you will get y directly, y. Putting the value of x in equation number 3, so instead of x we will put its value, so it is 2, so y equal to 4 minus 3, that will get y equal to 1. So finally you have to write the solution, the x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. You can put in form of set also, that is called solution set. So that is x, you have to write at the first x then y. Okay, so after solution you can verify your answer also. Okay, the verification of answer, that you can do in rough verification. So how can you verify your answer is correct or not? You put both the values together in any of the equation and it should satisfy. Just see, when you putting in equation 1, so twice of x, that is 2, minus y, that is 1. Just see, we are getting 3 or not, 3 equal to 3, 4 minus 1 3, and also you can put in equation 2, so twice of 2 plus thrice of 1, that is 7, that is 7 equal to 7. So both are correct. Okay, so you can verify by any of the equation. Okay, so this is the method. So first what you have to do, first you have to simplify equation, any of the equation. So I solve the equation number 1, that means we have written the value of y in terms of x, then we put this value, we substitute this value in the next equation, that is the equation number 2, and after getting the value of x we can put the value in any of the equation now. So I put in equation number 3, that give you result of y. Okay, now the next question, is it clear? So clear, Next question is 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Okay, so we have these two equations. Now we have a new two equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 4, equation number 1, and 2x minus y equal to 1. So once again we will solve any of them. So better it will be, as I told, if the equation is simple, that to solve it will be better. So I am solving equation number 2 first. Okay, solving equation 2 here, that is transfer y there and transfer 1 there. We get y is equal to 4x minus 1, that you will get 4x minus 1 equal to y. This we can write y equal to 4x minus 1. This you can put the equation number 3. Then the next step, substituting this value in the next equation. So I solve the equation number 2, we will put its value in equation number 1. Substituting the value of y in equation 1. Okay, so we will get 2x 3y equal to 4. Here 12x minus 3 equal to 4. 2x plus 12, that is 14x. 4 plus 3. So we'll get 14x equal to 7, that key x equal to 7 by 14, x equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Here now putting the value of y, value of x, sorry, in equation, any of the equation you can put it, better it put in 3. So we will get y equal to 4 times 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, that you will get 2 minus 1. So y equal to 1. Clear? So these are the solution. Hence x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1. This is the answer. Now once again you can verify by putting in any of the equation. So verification, put this value x equal to half and y equal to 1 in equation number 1. So 2 times of 1 by 2, 3 times of 1 equal to 4. Yes, it is 4. Okay, so the equation is solved, solution is correct. Clear? See what we did, we solved the equation number 2 and we got the value of y in terms of x here, y in terms of x. Then we substitute the value of y in the first equation, and on putting in first equation we got the equation in a single variable term, that is x only, and x is equal to, we got 7 by 14. Okay, not the 14 by 7, just see, right hand side we have a 7 divided by 14, so we got x equal to 1 by 2. And after this we can put this value in any of the equation. It will be better to put in this equation because half it is already solved, transfer process is already done, so it will be easy to solve. So y equal to 4 times of 1 by 2, that become 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Clear? So let's see one more. The question is 3x plus y equal to 4 and 6x minus 2y equal to 7. So we have another question, that is 3x plus y equal to 4 and 6x minus 2y equal to 7. So here we can get, just see, we have equation number 1, equation number 2. First we will solve the equation number 1. So we will get y is equal to 4 minus 3x. Now we will put this value, we will substitute this value, say this is equation number 3. Substituting the value of y in equation number 2. 6x minus twice of y, and y we have a 4 minus 3x is equal to 7. Just see 6x, when you open the bracket, see minus sign is there, so it will convert the whole sign here. So this plus become minus and this minus become plus. Now 6x minus 2 times of 4 minus 3x. This become minus 8 plus 6x. Then 6, 12x, and this will go to the right side. 8 plus 7, 15. So here we get x is equal to 15 by 12. You can cancel with 3. 3 4s and 3 5s. So 5 by 4. Here it is better to keep in fraction only. Don't put in decimal. Looks better here. Okay. Now we will put this value in any of the equation. So it is better we are putting in equation number 3. Putting the value of equation, putting the value of x in equation number 3. So we have a y is equal to 4 times of minus 3 times of 5 by 4. Okay, here take LCM. One by 4. So hence x is equal to 5 by 4 and y equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer. Clear? So you can verify also. Verification. Put both the values together in any of the equation, whether you are getting RHS or not. So just take the first equation, thrice of x plus y is equal to 4. We are getting or not? 15 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 4. That we have a 16 by 4 is equal to 4. Both sides are equal, means it is correct. Clear? So I hope you understand the substitution method. So in the next video we will solve some question from the NCERT textbook. So till now, happy learning, all the best.